filed for bankruptcy, or went through a foreclosure, you still may be eligible for a VA loan, and I'll show you how. Life happens, divorce, medical bills, job loss, whatever the reason, if you've had a bankruptcy or foreclosure in your past, it doesn't mean you can't still become a homeowner. I'm Jason Wood, the VA loan guy and Air Force veteran. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how VA loans work after bankruptcy or foreclosure. We'll cover waiting periods, what lenders want to see, and how to rebuild your path to home ownership. Yes, you can still use the VA loan. And there's a lot of veterans who don't realize this. The VA loan program is designed to give you a second chance. Bankruptcy or foreclosure doesn't automatically disqualify you. You can still use your VA loan benefit once you meet certain criteria. Lenders want you to know, was it a one-time hardship? Have you recovered financially from that? Is your credit trending up? If the answer is yes, you may qualify sooner than you think. Timelines and what lenders look for. So let's talk about the official guidelines, what the lenders are going to look for. So if you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, we have to wait 2 years from the date of discharge. If you file Chapter 13 bankruptcy, that's the repayment one, we need to see 12 months of on-time payments. We're also going to need court approval to take on any new debt. If there was a foreclosure, typically it's a 2-year wait from completion. In every case, the most important thing is your credit score since the event. On-time payments, no new collections, lowering credit utilization. Lenders will pull your credit report and look for stability. They want to see that the issue is behind you and that your managing money is now good. Most lenders won't tell you this, but you can qualify for a VA loan even while you're still in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy in some cases. With the right approvals and payment history, it's totally possible. Think of your credit report like a timeline of recovery. Lenders aren't just looking at what happened back then. They want to see where you are now, how things have transpired, how you have handled debt, how you've handled your business since that event. So how can you rebuild and prepare yourself for getting your VA loan? Here are the steps for success. First thing is reestablish credit. You can open a secured credit card or an installment loan. Make sure it reports to all the bureaus. Make your payments on time every month and keep the credit balances low. You want to try and keep the balance to about 30% of your limit. Save all your paperwork. Keep court documents, discharge letters, and proof of payments handy. And work with a VA savvy lender. Not all lenders interpret the rules the same way. We'll guide you through the process based on your unique situation. If you've been through a financial setback, don't count yourself out. Let's talk. We'll take a look at your credit, walk you through the VA guidelines, and build a customized plan based on where you are today to get you to where you want to be. This is not about judgment, it's about opportunity. Click the link below to schedule a one-on-one appointment or visit valoanguy.us to get started. You served. Let's make sure that service still works for you.